Next, for this question, it said, it is known that certain school, 80% of the students did not go to school by car. If 20 students, so our sample come in, and is 20, 80% didn't go to school by car, so probability not using car is 0.8. So we define the x here will be number of students. So what's the question once here? 20 students from the school are randomly selected. Find the probability that not more than 9 go to school by car. So given here, did not go to school by car, but here they ask us go to school by car, which means that the situation probability here they want is probability with car 0.2. So not car is 0.8. Car will be 0.2. So situation want to go to school, number of students go to school by car. So X distributed binomial sample 20 of 10 go to school by car is 0.2. Write out your definition and distribution before you start answering. So for the first question, they want to find how many of them, probability, not more than 9. So not more than 9 means this is X less than equal 9. So look at the distribution here. We can use table. Binomial table, we need to use more than equal. When you need less than equal to use table, we need 1 minus x more than equal 10. Then you can get less than equal. So find your binomial table 20 and 0.2. Reading of 10. Alright, so reading for 10 is 0026. So that's all for question A. Then we come to question B. Now sample become 100. What is the probability from 11 to 17 go to school by car? So distribution binomial change to sample 100 go to school by car is 0.2. As we read this distribution, you have to write up with the condition. The first one, we notice that n is large. Number 2, we find out the NP. We notice that this is more than 5, so the condition to change to normal is fulfilled. Then what we need is variance. NPQ. Q is 0.8. This is 16. Then number 3, condition of probability is 0.1 and 0.9 in between. So when these 3 conditions fulfill, our binomial is no longer suitable to answer in this way. We need to change to normal. So normal with mean 20, variance 16. Then go back to the questions. The question is asking around this 100 probability from means 11 is included up to 17. So based on this situation, we notice that this x originally is come from the status binomial, but the distribution is too large, is no longer suitable using binomial, we change to normal. So we have to solve it by normal way, which is using the z-score, draw out the region and find it from the table normal, so that to get final answer. So binomial change to normal, we need to do continuity correction, whether you need to plus 0.5 or negative minus 0.5. So as you notice here, you are taking 11 until 17, included. This region is included. So when you want to get 0.5, you have to start before 0.5, means minus 0.5, then 0.5, and after 17, which is 17.5, so that your included value will be accurate. If you start 11.5, then your number 11 you didn't take, or you end with 16.5, then your 17 you'll be missing. So do your CC correctly, then only you can proceed to Z-score. Z-score is minus mean over standard deviation. Variance is 16, standard deviation will be 4. X will be changed to Z. Then let your Z-score in 2 decimal place. So mistake here is supposed to minus 20, mean, standard deviation 4. Then we get negative 2.37538. And then this one is negative 0.625. We get 63, 2 decimal only in normal table. Then we draw out this region, negative 2.38, negative 0.63, this area. So to find this area, we will take the tail side, the bigger tail, minus the shorter tails here. So that take the big side here, minus, take this, overall the tail side, then minus the empty space here. So we're going to read the tail of negative 0.63 as positive, minus the tail of 2.38. So get to your normal table, 0.63, 0.2643, 2.38, 2.380087. So that's all.